Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change icon size on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you want your icons on your home screen appears more bigger, I'll show you how to do it. Trust me, it is very simple and quick. So open up your settings, go down here to home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and here you can see icons. Click the icons and here you can adjust your size. Let's make them more bigger. And now so large. And now you can see they appear way bigger. The same in up drawer. So basically that's it. How I said, it's very simple. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.